Good day, beloveds, and welcome back. Now we're in our finale with the Love Attraction Essential Oil Blend. So today we're going to make our blend. And if you haven't seen my previous 5 videos where I'm talking about each one of these essential oils individually, I encourage you to do so, to check out the therapeutic properties, because not only are they a part of this Love Attraction blend, they have therapeutic properties that you want to know about. Okay, so I'll leave a link to each one of the videos in the description. So we're going to get started with our blend. And if you're new here, welcome. I am Danny. Welcome to this channel, Natural Ally D, where I talk about things related to enhance our overall quality of life and well-being as a social worker and an aromatherapist. So this Love Attraction blend, as we have noted in the past 5 videos, they are ylang ylang or ylang ylang, however you like to pronounce it. We have neroli, okay? We have rose. This is a rose absolute, so it's actually diluted, right? Let's see, what else we have? Ginger. And last but not least, we have lemongrass. So according to the instructions for making this blend, when you put them together, you allow them to synergize, right? So in order to get them to mix very well together. And you are to not use the synergy for 12 hours. So once you make this blend, you're supposed to let it sit for 12 hours. And I did make the blend, you see, and the blend I make, or the formula I give you, is 400 drops, but I made this a few days ago and I put it in the refrigerator for it to synergize together, so it's good and well mixed together. And I'm going to create 2 applications for you today. I'm going to show you 2, but I'm also going to give you a cheat sheet so you can share with you how you can use the essential oil in another way. Okay, so I'll leave a cheat sheet to show you how to use the essential oils in general in the description for you to look at a later date. And these are similar to the instructions you may find on the individual videos in the description, where I give you the information sheet, and this has the how do I use it box. So these are similar instructions to that, those instructions on how to use the essential oil. So I'm going to leave again a cheat sheet for you to use this blend in the applications mentioned in the how do I use it box for each one of the essential oils. So the formula. So this Love Attraction formula, it starts off with ylang ylang or ylang ylang, 40 drops. Okay, so we have 40 drops. Then we have 40 drops of neroli. Okay. Then we have 10 drops of rose, and this is actually a rose mixed in jojoba oil, because the rose is concentrated in large amounts. It's very expensive, so you can get the absolute, which is also mixed with jojoba. This is 10 drops of rose. Then we have 5 drops of ginger and 5 drops of lemongrass. Okay, so that is our formula. And like I said, I've already mixed it up here in this amber colored jar. You'll see me mixing things or storing essential oil blends in dark colored jars, and it's recommended for that so that the light doesn't get to the essential oil. Okay, help less to break it down. Alrighty, so now we have our synergy. I'm just mixing it up a little bit. And I mix it in a bottle with a spray top, right? It's not ideal for, unless you make it a mister. But I'm going to switch it out and use a top with a dropper on it to make our applications, okay? So we have the dropper, and interesting. Okay. If you make it, if you could come back and make a comment and tell me how you like it. okay? Or how have you used it? But for this demonstration purposes, we're going to create 2 applications. We're going to first use a roller bottle. I'm going to create a roller bottle. And here's one right here. A red roller bottle, roller cap off. I'm going to take that off. We're going to create that. And we're also going to create a flip top 2-ounce container of this blend. Again, the blend and the proportions that I just read to you are for 100 drops. So you have 100 drops of this synergy. For the roller bottle, our instructions indicate you can use 5 drops. So I'm going to use a 2.5% dilution. So I'm going to use 5 drops for this 10 milliliter roller bottle. And 2.5% I say because you use it for general care or lotions, and that's usually my go-to percentage for lotions and things that I'm going to put topically on the skin. Okay, so we have this 10 milliliter roller bottle, and we're going to add a carrier to this in order to put it on our skin. I always recommend a carrier with your essential oils just in case there's any irritation or anything like that. And jojoba is usually my go-to. You can certainly use other carrier oils, like, for example, another one that I like is argan oil, or just some general grapeseed oil you get from the store. Okay, so for this application, I'm going to use my jojoba. You see, I use a lot of that. Let's see. So what we're going to do with this roller bottle is fill it halfway up. Okay. Filled it halfway up, right? Then we're going to add 5 drops of this synergy. I'm going to get some drops of this synergy out and put this down. So I'm going to take my dropper. See, I got some at the tip. And to the roller bottle, I added with halfway with jojoba, I'm going to add 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? And for this purpose, I'm just going to put the top back on. I'm not going to put the roller bottle back yet because we're going to fill it back up. Put the top on, and you're going to shake 50 times. You say 50 times, that's how I was taught. 50 times, but the idea is to have it to blend very well. Make sure that it's blended very well. Okay? I'm going to shake 50 times with this. I know I haven't started counting, so I'm going to guesstimate, but just to give you an idea. Okay, going to do about 10 more times. Okay, then once you've done that, take the top back off. Then you fill the rest up to the shoulder. Okay, close enough. I don't want to overspill it. Fill it up to the shoulder, close to the shoulder. And then you want to put the roller cap back on at that point because you're done. Snap it back on, and then you shake again. At this point, okay? There we go. Shake it a few more times. All right, so then we have our top. So there you have it. You have your roller bottle with your Love Attraction essential oil in it. And I highly recommend, like I say, when you make all your blends, is to put a label on it. This has a label on it, and I have the name of the blend, the essential oils are in it, and the number of drops next to the essential oil. So if I want to recreate this, I can just simply look at the bottle and say, oh, okay, these are the essential oils that I have in here, and these are the number of drops for this particular formula. It's really helpful. And so I recommend that you do that for the roller bottle as well, or anything that you create. Because there's nothing like picking up something and say, this smells good, and I wonder what this is, if you can't remember. Okay, so that's one. And simply, for the roller bottle, you just simply, the instructions say to use it on your feet or on the back of your neck, not on the spine, but just on the side, on the back of your neck. And if you're going to put it on the bottom of your feet, for example, pretend like this is your big toe, okay? For your big toe, just we're going to pretend that this is the big toe. You would go across the crease of the big toe, up the big toe, and down the foot to the heel. Again, we're just pretending. If this is your big toe, you're going to go across the crease of your big toe, up the big toe, and down to your heel. For example, if you're going to put it on the bottom of your feet. Okay? So that's one application using the roller bottle. Next, we're going to create the flip top bottle. So this is a 2-ounce flip top bottle, and according to our instructions, again, that you'll have a cheat sheet for, to create a lotion application, you're going to use between 28 and 32. So I like to go in the middle and use 30 drops. So again, we're going to use a carrier. I have some grapeseed here, like I mentioned, or some argan. Okay. I think I'm going to use, since the grapeseed is already open, I'm going to use that. Let's see. Just simply pouring. I'll put this down so I'm try not to get it everywhere. So, filling it up halfway. You can see here. I'm trying not to spill it. Okay. Close enough. Halfway. I don't know if you can see that, but it's halfway. Then we're going to take our Synergy that we have already made. Let sit for 12 hours. And you're going to scoop some out. So, and then you're going to do 30 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right. And put the top on, okay? And shake 50 times. And shake, 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 shake. And we do it 10 more times. I have not been counting. Okay. All righty. Then, same thing. You're going to fill it back up to the rim. Fill the bottle up to the shoulder. Not to do too much, but up to the shoulder. Put the top back on and shake 50 times more. Okay. Put this cap back on this oil and do about 10 more times. And there you have it. Now you have a lotion blend. You can just simply take the flip top and, you know, use it, put it on your hand, you know, use it on your neck, oh, on your body, okay, and there you have it. So you had create 2 applications. We did a roller bottle and a flip top. The instructions give you more applications for you to make. You can certainly try those if you want to. And you have the information for each of the essential oils, so you're familiar with the therapeutic properties. Of course, if you don't want to make the blend itself, you can certainly use the essential oils individually and create the applications just the same way as I did here today, or try the other applications. For example, always read the safety notes. You know, safety is key with me, to make sure that there's nothing in the safety notes box, in the blue box, that would be a concern for you to use. Okay, so I hopefully you enjoyed this series on love attraction essential oils and this blend. If you have any questions, certainly leave them um, in the comments below, or leave any comments about what you think about this blend. And I thank you for watching all 5 videos. I thank you for watching this video, and I thank you for joining me on this journey. We started in the month of February talking about love attraction oils, and we're finishing up here in the month of March, and also which happens to be social work month. And what better way to end with a love blend, because certainly a true passion of mine is sending love and giving love with the information that I provide for others to share. And as I always say, let us continue to learn, grow, and share together naturally. So until the next video, until next time, it is a pleasure to serve you. God bless you, and I love you. Bye bye now.